Good morning, everyone. Welcome to June 26th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we got the Dow futures up 6, the S&P futures are flat, and NASDAQ futures are up 3. Both Asian and European shares were mixed overnight. Futures were quite red prior to the open on Monday as traders fretted about European problems. The market opened down as advertised with a negative bias all day long. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had fallen over 1%, with the NASDAQ down almost 2%. Today we'll get the Case-Shiller report at 9 a.m. with the reading of minus 2.5% expected, then consumer confidence at 10 a.m. with the market looking for a reading of 64. We'll get earnings today from H&R Block with the market looking for $2.05 per share. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1328, the 50-day at 1343, and the 200-day at 1296. The S&P closed at 1313 with support at 1308 and resistance at 1328. The bulls were hoping to tack on some points to Friday's gains, but it never materialized. Instead, the bears took control of the action early on, with the bulls pretty helpless to do much about it. Now that the S&P closed below 1314, 1308 is next, and should that go, the 200-day moving average, now at 1296, could quickly come into play. And unless the bulls can quickly retake the 20-day on the S&P at 1328, we could easily see more selling. Here's a bully trend fact. While Monday and Tuesday of this week carry negative annualized returns on the S&P since 1950, every day during the June 27th to July 9th period carries a positive annualized return except June 29th. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.